Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today on How We Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice curry chicken. So if you want to see how this recipe is done, please stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. So these are all my ingredients. So first I have my bulk all-purpose seasoning, have my onions, scallion, garlic, ginger, have my carrots, thyme, bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, my pimento berries, my green seasoning. This is freshly made. I also have my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, my Maggi chicken seasoning, and my Betapac curry. So in my bowl I have my chicken all nicely clean and cut. I remove the skin as well and cut it in small pieces. So you can cut it to the size that you want, but this is okay for me. So now we're going to season our chicken. So guys, for me, I'm going to start off with my powdered seasoning. So first going in with my bulk all-purpose seasoning. So this one is really flavorful. Also has rosemary. So this is 1 to 2 tablespoons. Going in with half teaspoon of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Now going in with half teaspoon of my Maggi chicken seasoning. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of my green seasoning. Now going in with my scallion and my onions. I will leave the garlic and ginger for later, so I will show you what I do with those. Now adding my Scotch bonnet pepper and my pimento berries. So for the Scotch bonnet peppers, you use it according to how spicy you want your curry chicken. So if you don't want your curry chicken to be too spicy, you don't have to use a lot. But if you want your curry to be really spicy, then you can always use more. Now going in with the thyme. So for the thyme, you can add it just like this, or you can remove the hard part, which is the stem, and add the leaves mostly. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to remove the hard part and add the leaves. Now adding my sweet peppers. So guys, I've added all my seasonings. So what I will do now is to go in with my hand and get my chicken all nicely seasoned. Want to ensure that all of our chicken parts are nicely seasoned, so I'm just rubbing all that seasoning onto the chicken so it can be very flavorful at the end. So guys, our chicken is nicely seasoned. So now going to cover it and place it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. But if you want to leave it overnight to allow it to marinate, that is even better, because the longer you allow your chicken to marinate, the more flavor you will get from your chicken. So guys, after 2 hours, this is how our chicken is looking. So now it's time to burn our curry. So to my pot, I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So now going to add my ginger and garlic to allow them to infuse in the oil. Then I will add my curry. So going in with 2 tablespoons of curry. Going to stir my curry to allow it to turn into a paste with the oil and get all that ginger and my garlic flavor coming from it. Want all that flavor that the curry has, so that's why we're burning our curry. So we're going to burn it for 1 to 2 minutes on low heat, so we're not going to allow it to get bitter at all. So guys, now our curry is ready, so we're going to place our chicken in there. to coat all our chicken parts. So first we want to set aside all that seasoning and just add the chicken only in that curry paste. Then we'll combine everything and get all that chicken well coated with our curry. So guys, our chicken is nicely coated with our curry. So going to cover the pot and allow the chicken to produce its own water for 10 minutes on medium to high heat. So guys, after 10 minutes, this is how our chicken is looking. So now going to combine my chicken and then I will cover the pot for 20 minutes on low to medium heat and allow my chicken to just get tender. This is how my chicken is looking after 20 minutes. So I have not added any water to it as yet. Now going to go in with my seasoning. So I added 1 cup of water to my bowl with my seasonings. So going in with all that goodness. So now giving it a stir, then I will add my carrots and my whole Scotch bonnet pepper. So the Scotch bonnet pepper that I'm using now is just to give the pot a little bit more flavor. So I'm not going to cut this one. Going to allow this to bring to a boil. So guys, at this point you want to check on your chicken to ensure that it doesn't need anything else. If you taste your gravy now and you realize that you want a little more salt, then you can always add that. Then going to allow it to reduce for 5 minutes until it reaches to the gravy consistency that you want. So if you want a lot of sauce, you don't have to wait too long to turn off your heat and enjoy your curry chicken. So guys, after 5 minutes, this is how our curry chicken is looking. So it is nicely done. It is all ready. Guys, take a look at my chicken. It is really tender and all ready. So there you have it guys, our curry chicken is nicely done. It is all ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done that already. Guys, thank you so much for watching. So until I see you next time, bye guys.